Hello and welcome to the unboxing of the Dr. Trust Nano Ionic Facial Steamer 902. This is a humidifier and towel warmer. This comes with 3-in-1 facial steamer, towel warmer and humidifier. You can perform 3 functions with this. The water tank, the capacity of the water tank is 225 milliliters. Working time is 15 to 30 minutes and designed for accurate focus of steam. Do we have any more information? Net weight is 0.8 kilos, gross weight is 1.15 kilos including the box, and it runs on 220 volts of power outage. And anything else? No, that's more or less it. Let's open this box and take a look at the steamer. So this is what we find inside the box. There's this cup for measuring and pouring water into the water tank. There you can see. This is the user instruction for this particular facial steamer, which you should read at least once. Read this over here. And there's a thank you note from the company, from Amazon actually, so we can avoid this one. So this is the steamer. This is what it looks like. So this is where the steam comes out of, and you can control the different functions from here. Like right now it's off, so if you want to warm the towel, you can just switch to it and the steam will modify itself accordingly, the steam output that is. This is the water tank in question. This is a 225 liter water tank, so you fill it with water, put it in, and then you plug this machine in, and pretty soon steam will start coming out of it. And this is it. This is what you find inside the box containing the Dr. Trust Nano Ionic Facial Steamer 902. Thank you for watching.